SpaceX's Falcon 9, a decade of successful flights. Explore the cosmos with us as we celebrate a decade of successful flights with SpaceX's Falcon 9. In the vast darkness of space, one rocket has consistently proven its mettle. Meet Falcon 9, SpaceX's crowning achievement. Since its maiden flight in 2010, Falcon 9 has been changing the game, making space more accessible with each successful launch. With its unique capability of returning and landing vertically, Falcon 9 has revolutionized space travel, reducing costs and increasing sustainability. Falcon 9 has also served as a trusted ally in numerous satellite deployments and International Space Station resupply missions. Not just a rocket, Falcon 9 is a symbol of human ambition, spearheading our journey into the great beyond. Join us on this thrilling ride as we look back on Falcon 9's decade of successful flights. Here's to the next 10 years.